In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a task list in Asana. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. This can be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser that you usually use. Now, navigate to the official Asana website. Just type in the URL and hit Enter to get started. Once you're on the Asana homepage, you'll see a login button. Go ahead and click that. For a smoother process, I recommend choosing the option that says Continue with Google. This way, you won't have to remember another password and your login will be a breeze. Once you click that option, you'll need to select your specific Google account. Just pick the right one and grant Asana the necessary permissions to access your workspace. This is an important step, so make sure you're logged into the account that has all your tasks. Now, after you've logged in, you'll be taken to your Asana dashboard. Here, take a moment to locate the specific project that contains the task list you want to print. Your projects are likely displayed as tiles or in a list, depending on your view settings. Once you've found the project you want, click on it to open it up. Now you should be looking at all the tasks related to that project. At the top of your project interface, you'll notice a drop-down menu for project actions. Find that and hover over it to see additional choices that pop up. Among these options, you're going to look for the Sync or Export option. When you hover over it, you should see the Print option become visible. Click on that, and it will open a new window that displays a print-friendly version of your tasks. Take a moment to review this optimized view. You'll want to ensure that all the essential task details are presented clearly and concisely. It should be easy to read, and all the tasks you want should be included. If everything looks good, you're ready to move on. Next, you'll need to navigate to the operating system dialog box that pops up. This is where you'll select your printer. Make sure your printer is connected and ready to go. Once you've chosen your printer, you can also specify how many copies you'd like to print. This is helpful if you need multiple copies for a meeting, for instance. Finally, once everything is set up to your liking, click that Final Print button. And just like that, you'll generate a physical copy of your organized Asana tasks. Once you've printed your tasks, take a moment to check your results. Make sure that everything printed out the way you expected. And there you have it. You've successfully printed a task list in Asana. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing for more tips and give the video a like. Thanks for watching, and happy